Now, Aurangabad is such a place for a new hub for the automobile. Previously, we have a selected cities, but now, yes, automobile is growing in all over India, and we are really excited in Aurangabad for a new customers.
Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at EMAC Technology Day at Aurangabad, and I'm here with my friend Nagesh and Anish from Technical Service Department. Thank you guys. Thank you for giving your time. So tell me, what are you expecting from this Technology Day here?
Yeah. Good evening, Aurangabad. We welcome each and everybody, our esteemed customers. So it's a very beautiful evening and good to see a lot of people have come here. So and we expect a good customer base here because this is a new developing location in Aurangabad, and we have recently done other places also like Rajkot, and the upcoming places is Bangalore. Okay, so we expect a lot of enquiries to pour in,
Great.
and we are excited with this
Good to
event.
be excited. Nagesh, are you also excited?
Yes, good evening, everybody. And yes, really, it's excited because now Aurangabad is such a place for a new hub for the automobile. Previously, we have a selected cities, but now, yes, automobile is growing in all over India, and we are really excited in Aurangabad for a new customers, and also we have some existing customers. And yes, we had one event in Rajkot, which was really beautiful. It was full of customers, and now we are excited in Aurangabad as well as in Bangalore.
Great. So wish you all the best for this technology. I
Thank
hope
you.
you will get a lot of prospect customers here.
We hope to.
Great.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you.